So I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm sort of a clean freak, which is why I ordered this off a TikTok shop. We are going to test it out in my Honda today because I went to the beach this weekend and there's lots of sand in my car. This is the before shot. Let's see how bad this thing sucks. Let's check it out. Whoa. Impressive. What? Wow. Okay, so sand is like probably the hardest thing to get out of your rug. And this is seriously doing the job better than anything that I've seen yet. I've tried a million vacuums. Oh my god. Wow. I'm impressed. I would just keep this in my car. You can charge it before you vacuum, but I would just keep this in my car for any little spills. Those of you that have kids that love to have snacks in the car, OMG. It comes with this handy dandy little attachment, but you don't need it. It just gets into the smaller places where you want to clean up. Oh man, this is awesome. I love it. I'm definitely cool with this. I just like that it's small and doesn't take up a lot of space. And it saves you all those quarters, right? For every time you have to stop on the side of the road to vacuum your car. It definitely saves you money. I'm all about saving money. I'm Polish. That's what we like to do. This is really great. Moms, definitely. This is great. It takes no time also. Moms, people with dogs. Oh my god, people with dogs. To get rid of dog hair in your car, look how nice. This is all coming nice and clean. It gets into all the little spots. Love this. Love. You can get these areas too, which are always hard to get to. But yeah, dogs, kids, they all make a mess in the car, right? Who likes a messy car? I mean, I guess some people do, but I personally don't. Especially after the beach. This thing sucked up the sand like no. So like the ones at the car wash are so big and bulky, and it sucks up stuff, but you can't get into the little spots like you can with this one. And again, saving, yeah, a nice little hole there. Oh man, this is great. I love this thing. This thing really sucks. Another before shot. Here we go. We're going to tackle this side now. Oh man. It picks up everything. It's insane. I love it. Small and powerful like me. I love it. I mean, black carpets are a pain to have, but what's the alternative? I have another vacuum that is not this one, obviously. And it picks up stuff, but not like this one. Not even close. It's getting everything like, oh my god, I love it. It really picks up everything. I wish I had this when I had dogs. My life would have been way cleaner. Instead of me getting my car detailed. It's not going to take dirt out of your carpets if your carpets are dirty. For sure. But, it will get, I mean, it took all the sand out. There's no sand left. Sand and Long Island, oh man. We spend most of our time at the beach here. So, if you live near the ocean, or a beach, or a lake, and there is sand, you will want this handy dandy gadget. Because, look it, I didn't even charge it. It's new out of the box. It came with a charge. So tonight, before I go to sleep, I'm going to charge it just like I charge everything else. But, look. It is clean. Clean, clean, clean. Love. Love this product. You need one in your car at all times. I mean, dog hair, oh man, this would have been a breeze. I always had to go to the, always had to go to the car wash and do the quarter thing, and or plug in, do all the extension cords here. Okay, now it's just dying. I cleaned both sides with it already though. So here's the little, has the little filter. Just shake it out. And dump it. Put the filter back in. Whoops. And you are ready to go. What I like about these little filters is that you could probably just wash them. You don't have to really replace them. Just wash them and make sure they dry completely, and then you're ready to go again. It's like my Dyson hairdryer a little bit. It's cool. Charging it overnight. This is the box, dust collection and lighting. Portable mini home and car. Comes with a little brush as well to get into those little spots. And direcciones. And it's on a USB cable. So you just plug it in and charge. And there you go. Link in bio, guys.